Welcome to FH Auto Reviews, the channel where passion meets precision, and every review captures the essence of modern automotive craftsmanship. Today we explore the breathtaking Mercedes-AMG SL, a car that redefines luxury performance with its perfect blend of elegance, power, and innovation. This latest generation SL is not just a sports car, it's a statement of what happens when technology, design, and emotion come together in perfect harmony. The Mercedes-AMG SL is built for those who appreciate performance wrapped in sophistication and comfort that feels truly timeless. At first glance, the design language of this AMG masterpiece speaks volumes about its intent. The front fascia carries a commanding presence with the signature AMG grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights that give it a confident and aggressive stance. The long, sculpted hood and wide shoulders highlight its muscular proportion while maintaining the elegance that has always defined the SL lineage. The deep metallic burgundy red finish adds a sense of exclusivity, reflecting light in a way that enhances every curve and contour. It's a car that draws attention even when standing still, embodying Mercedes-Benz's philosophy of sensual purity and technical perfection. The AMG SL's performance credentials are every bit as impressive as its design. Under the hood lies a handcrafted AMG 4.0-liter V8 biturbo engine that delivers breathtaking power and torque. Depending on the variant, it produces up to 577 horsepower, propelling the SL from 0 to 100 km/h in around 3.5 seconds. The power delivery is smooth yet aggressive, thanks to AMG's advanced twin-scroll turbochargers and precision engineering. The 9-speed AMG SpeedShift automatic transmission ensures lightning-fast gear changes, providing an exhilarating driving experience whether you're on a straight highway or winding mountain roads. Mercedes has equipped the SL with 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive, ensuring that the immense power translates into grip and stability on any surface. The adaptive suspension system continuously adjusts damping for comfort and control, while rear-wheel steering enhances agility, making this grand tourer as nimble as a lightweight sports car. The drive modes let you tailor the SL's character to your mood, from relaxed cruising in comfort to track-inspired performance in Sport Plus or race mode. It's engineering brilliance designed to adapt seamlessly to every driver's demand. The exterior design continues to impress from every angle. The sleek, flowing roofline integrates perfectly with the body, and the retractable soft top adds to its dynamic personality, opening in just seconds at the touch of a button. The rear design is a work of art, with slim LED taillights and quad exhaust outlets housed in a bold diffuser. Every line, every surface, and every proportion has been meticulously crafted to balance aesthetics and aerodynamics. The result is a silhouette that's both powerful and graceful, ensuring the AMG SL stands as a modern icon in luxury performance design. Step inside, and the cabin welcomes you with an atmosphere that combines sportiness with opulent craftsmanship. The interior is a testament to AMG's dedication to detail, where premium leather, brushed metal accents, and carbon fiber trims blend seamlessly. The driver-focused cockpit wraps around you, offering intuitive access to all controls while maintaining a sense of spacious comfort. The 11.9-inch central touchscreen tilts to reduce glare, housing the latest MBUX infotainment system that responds to voice, touch, and gesture commands. With advanced navigation, smartphone connectivity, and real-time performance data, every journey feels connected and effortless. The seats in the AMG SL are not just about comfort, they're about control and experience. AMG Performance seats provide perfect lateral support during spirited driving, yet remain comfortable for long-distance cruising. Ventilation, heating, and even massage functions ensure that luxury remains uncompromised, no matter the pace. The ambient lighting system enhances the cabin's mood, shifting tones to match your driving mode or personal preference, turning every night drive into an immersive experience. Safety, as expected from Mercedes-Benz, remains a top priority. The AMG SL comes loaded with the latest driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a suite of radar and camera-based technologies designed to keep you secure at all times. The body structure itself uses lightweight aluminum and high-strength steel, optimizing rigidity while maintaining a low center of gravity. The result is a car that not only feels planted but also instills confidence with every turn of the wheel. Beyond its mechanical brilliance and luxurious interior, the Mercedes-AMG SL is about emotion. It's about the connection between driver and machine. Every rev of the V8 engine, every click of the paddle shifters, and every whisper of the exhaust note reminds you that this car isn't built for transportation, it's built for pure driving pleasure. It represents decades of engineering evolution, capturing the spirit of the classic SL Roadsters that came before it while embracing the future with advanced technology and design. The AMG SL also incorporates smart hybrid elements and efficiency-enhancing technologies without compromising performance. From cylinder deactivation to intelligent aerodynamics, Mercedes ensures that power and sustainability coexist in perfect harmony. This isn't just progress for performance's sake, it's progress for the future of driving. Every element, from its stunning burgundy red finish to the precision stitching in the interior, reflects the attention to detail that defines the AMG philosophy. It's a car for those who refuse to choose between comfort and performance, elegance and aggression, innovation and heritage. The SL embodies all these traits effortlessly, creating an experience that is both exhilarating and deeply refined. So when you stand before this masterpiece, you're not just looking at another luxury car, you're looking at the evolution of automotive art. The Mercedes-AMG SL is a reminder that passion still drives innovation, that beauty and power can coexist, and that the open road remains a place where dreams come alive. If you love cars that combine luxury, speed, and technology in perfect balance, then the AMG SL is one that deserves your attention. Stay tuned to FH Auto Reviews for more in-depth car reviews, features, and comparisons that bring you closer to the world of automotive excellence. Don't forget to subscribe to FH Auto Reviews and join our growing community of car enthusiasts who appreciate power, style, and innovation at their finest.